This is off of the east-west connector in Austell, Georgia, and it's in a decent area, 0.4 miles to a Walmart and 0.6 miles to a mixed-use trail called the Silver Comet. Jack and Jill bath here between the two secondary rooms. Pretty decent sized rooms, hardwood floors throughout. It's a four-sided brick ranch. Here's the primary bedroom. It's got a reach-in closet, and this bath connects to the hallway as well. Not ideal, but there is plenty of room here. You could take a little space off of this room and make a half bath for visitors and then make that a proper primary bath. And then this wall could get out of the way with a couple of posts and a beam to make it more open and modern. It's got a big sunroom. And look at this big flat backyard. It's remarkable. I believe it's going to be over an acre. Okay. It's got a two-story barn out towards the back of the property line. Yeah, that's in rough shape. It can be salvaged though, but it's a big fenced backyard. Enough land really to put a second unit. You could possibly put another two-bedroom cottage back here, two-bedroom, two-bath cottage. If the county would allow it, it'd be worth looking into. But yeah, it's four-sided brick. So nice fireplace. And then here's the kitchen. Kitchen's a little tight, but you could open this up. So, two-car garage. And eat-in area. So yeah, I would just take out that, make a half wall there where the stove is, and then put some more cabinets here, because you don't really need this eat-in kitchen area. And then there's the washer dryer area. So if you're interested, just reach out. My phone number is 404-663-5772. Thanks.